Hello guys, boy the peeps. How was you guys' week? I hope you guys had a wonderful week. Yeah, I'm back again with another video on my trading journey. And you all know that right now I'm trading a prop firm, MAVEN prop firm, a 5k account which I'm trying to pass. Last week or my last video, which was on Monday, um I was up by 2%. And right now, today is Saturday. I'm making this video to wrap up my week. So right now I am up by five no, I'm up by 4% actually. I was up by 5%, but I lost a trade which put me back to like 4.5%. But it is what it is. So let me show you guys the trade I took this week. So this week was a very good week for me. This week was very good for me. Very, 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 very good. How do I? Okay. Mm, yeah. So this were the trades I took. I took just one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, seven. I took just seven trades last week, and I had five wins and just two losses, as you can see, which puts me up by 4.5%. I don't know. I'm trying to check on I'm trying to check on Maven from Maven trying to check on Maven my dashboard, but it's not logging in. I think they said they are having issue or they are. Let me show you on Discord. Yeah. So as I was saying, they're having this maintenance stuff, and this is it right here. It said we are carrying out several maintenance from Friday. You understand? So this is why I can't open my dashboard to check out the my details and everything. So let me show you guys the trades I've taken throughout this week. So I've taken seven trades this week and only had two losses. Right now I don't know why this is showing 0%. Probably the maintenance stuff. But so I was up around my balance here was saying 250 before I took this loss, this $14 loss on yesterday, or which was Friday. So let me show you guys my trades. So this was the trade I took on Monday, which I explained on my previous video on YouTube, how I made the $40. And this is so after uploading the video the next day, which is 18th of June, I took this trade on gold, which ended up giving me around 60 pips profit. Let me show you guys the trade. So this is the trade right here. Let me tell you guys the reason why I took this trade. As you can see, this uptrend right here, we are currently on an uptrend. Price started consolidating, and whenever you see price consolidating, you know once price break through somewhere, either up or down. Oh, yeah, guys. So as I was saying, I saw price misbehaving here, consolidating. Whenever it gets to this zone, this is a resistance zone right here. Whenever it gets there, price keeps reacting and price was consolidating. But normally you can this was around the is it Sydney? I think Sydney session. That's Sydney or yeah, I think it's Sydney. Yeah, you can see the way price low volume, no volatility. So price kept on consolidating around this region. So what I was waiting for is this part. If you go on the 1 minute time frame, you will see this place here. Price keeps touching this place every time. So all I needed was price to either break this place downward or break heavily upward to know that price wants to continue the uptrend. But price broke it downward. So immediately price broke this trade. When I saw this engulfing candle, I wanted to wait for it to retest, then I'll enter. But I entered aggressively, just risking how many pips? Just risking um 20 pips on this trade, either 20 or 30 pips, I think I was risking. Then price went all the way to TP. Even price moved around. I was meant to make around $100 on this trade, around around 100 pips on this trade, but I ended up closing this trade because of my trailing drawdown stuff. I don't want price to reverse and all that. You understand? I think I think the next problem I'll be getting will be balance brace problem. So I can always hold my trades to TP. So you can see I made $40 on this trade. I closed around this region, which is decent. 60 pips is decent. It's decent profit. You understand? But I could have made around 150 pips if I held longer. So this was my first trade after my last video on YouTube. So this is it right here. Gold sold 0.07 and I made $41. So this was my the same day I took another trade around 2:45 p.m. And this is rich, right? This is rich. I took another, oh sorry. This is it. I took around another, yes, I saw, okay, before I break down the trade, I saw another setup. I think there was news. There was news. So after the news, because me, I don't really like trading news because of the prop frame rule and all that. So after the news, the news was bullish. Then it reversed back to this zone, which I wanted it to come to, but I didn't know why. Probably I didn't get to enter on time, so I couldn't enter again, or something, or I was busy there around that moment. I can't really remember what happened. The reason why I didn't take this trade, but I set my long position on trading view, but I didn't place my trade or set limits. So this trade also hit TP, as you can see right here, but I didn't take this trade. So my next trade here, before I drew this, I didn't draw the next trade here, which made me the 20 what is it, the $24 here. Let me explain this trade. Thank God I left this trade on time because I didn't draw my trend line first. So when I enter this trade, as you can see this particular resistance here, resistance that price has been respecting. So I was meant to sell from here, but I didn't sell from here actually. I waited for price to break this consolidation zone also. But when I saw my trend line, after I entered the trade before seeing the trend, before I drew my trend line, when I saw the trend line, I had to exit the trade around. I think I was at 30 pips plus profit. Yeah, around I was around 35 pips profit on gold. Then I exited my trade because I saw this trend line. You understand? I saw the week it created from this trend line that I had to exit immediately with immediate effect. So that was that trade. That was two trades back to back win. So this next trade was very painful for me. Okay, this is Euro USD. These two trades, this Euro USD and GDP USD that I took. Okay, this one was on the same day. This is Euro USD. Let me check it out. I can't even remember the trade, but let me check it out. Let me see. Euro USD, and this was on the 18th of June. 18th of June. I can't even find a trade. I can't find it. So let's leave it. So GDP USD, the trade I took on this trade is very painful. It's very painful for me because I could have made a loss from this trade if I held longer. So this was I think this was on Wednesday. This trade that I closed at break even. This trade here, this GDP USD trade on the 19th. This day there was bank holiday. You understand? This was rank holiday. My setup are always clean and always eating TP, but I always end up doing something that don't make me take my full TP, or they always make me exit the trade. So I was actually on this trade. I took my sell position. Let me close this so it can be bigger. So I took my sell position from me. As you can see, this clean double top. But me, I don't really trade based on double tops and all that like that. It's only few trades I see that has potential of reversing that I take trades from the double top. I always need a confirmation. You understand? And I add SMC to my confluence. So as I saw this trade, um, I saw this trade. I saw the double top, which was a sign of reversal from this uptrend, and my RSI was also showing an higher low, which also indicates a reversal. So that is two confluence. What's the next thing for me to wait? This is a zone where price is respecting, where price is touching and reversing. So I need it to either break upward or break downward. And whenever I say break upward and downward, I don't expect it to just break a little bit. I need that volatile move that shows that the sellers are already, either the sellers or buyers are already taking in action. You understand? So as soon as I saw this candle, the way the candle went, I waited for the candle to close, which was which was a bearish engulfing candle. So then I entered myself right away from there. And I also saw this order block from here. I drew my order block. After drawing my order block, I think I saw a few pips around my order block. So this trade, I was risking just let me see, 29 to 36. I was risking just five, I think 6 pips. I was risking around 6 to 7 pips to make around, let me see, what's my TP? This is 25. This is 20, around 50 plus pips. But price, but this was 19. But price was too slow. Price was really moving really, 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 really slow. So when price go back to this place, no, when did I enter this? I think this is it. Oh, this is not a trade. Is that Euro USD trade? That price was moving really slow that I had to break even. This trade, I don't know why I just closed it. I just closed it. I can't even remember the reason why I closed this trade. But this trade, it took days. It was till it was till Thursday, even more than Thursday. It was till till Thursday evening, and I took this trade around Wednesday morning till Thursday evening. So it was already a swing trade. So I don't know why. I just, because of the bank holiday stuff or something, I just exited this trade. Immediately price reverse, which I should have held it. You understand? I don't know why I exited, because I don't like holding trades. I don't really like holding trades overnight because of the massive spread and all that. I'm if it was my personal account, I'll have held the trade longer. You understand? So price did what was it did, it for sorry for my bad English. So price did whatever, and end up eating TP on Thursday, which was painful because I didn't take the trade, because I'll have been up by like 7%, because I was using a very big, I think I was using 0.25. I was using um position, lot size. So if you guys can see, all my trades on gold are always 0.07, or my trades will be like 0.1. I've never used 0.25. So I use 0.25 on this trade. Now imagine 0.25 for 50, more than 50 pips, because I know I'll have held the immediately price will have eaten my TB around this point, and I entered around 30, around 20. That's around 60. Yeah, that's more than six. That's around 60 pips. So I'll have made around um, almost $150 on this trade, which will have put me high up, and I'll be close to, and I'll have, because I still have other trades to explain here, because I'll have been on TP by that trade. So let's go to the next trade. Let's forget that it is what it is. So this was my after these two trades on Euro USD, and which ended up eating TP, which I closed the both of them. So this was my next trade, which was on Thursday on gold, which was a buy. This all my trades, I don't end up closing in TP. Let me show you the painful thing about this trade also. This is the painful thing about this trade. Let me open it for you guys. So gold, let's go to gold. This isn't gold. 28th of, yeah, this is a trade, guys. This is a trade, very painful trade. So guys, I was on this trade. I entered this trade, you know, because of the weak rejections I was getting from this zone right here, which was signifying a reversal from this down. I would have taken this trade also, but I think I was not awake by that time. I'd have taken this sell down to this place, but I was not awake by that time. These are sweet trades I love taking. I'll have made over this is this is over 100 pips, more than 100, around 150 pips. So I was saying well, you can see this particular, this was a resistance zone before, but later ended up being a support zone. Oh, sorry, this was a support zone. Oh, sorry, this was a resistance zone. Ended up being a support zone. So as you can see, price was rejecting around this region. So I took my buy immediately, risking just little. I was risking 30 30 pips, around 30 pips. Then price was up here. Guys, if I told you guys that I exited this trade around here, being safe, because I'm a very smart trader. I always like being safe, because it is the possibility you guys can see the consolidation happening around this region, which is also showing a reversal sign. But I was not clear enough. I was not sure enough. So I just, whenever I'm not sure about a trade, I either don't take the trade, or I'll exit my trade if I'm in profit, or even loss if I'm in loss. I'll exit it if I'm not really sure about the direction. But I have my zone marked out that I was expecting price to break. So this is what happened. So as you can see, I was in profits of like 50 pips already here. Then I saw the way price was doing. It will come to this zone, it will reverse, come back, the reverse, it will go up again. It will create wick. You understand? So whenever price is creating wick from a region, it is always, the direction is not always clear. So I just had to exit the trade. Then guys, watch what happened. Boom, 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 boom. Price fucking went. Let me calculate the pips. More than three, almost 400 pips, guys. I'll have passed my challenge this particular day if I held the trade. But it's better being safe and not imagining rubbish. You understand? It's better to be safe than just imagine this trade went on a loss. I won't be saying this, what I'm saying right now. I'll have been thanking myself for closing. But it is what it is. So this trade went over 300 pips, as you can see. But I was able to close $40. If I had longer, I would have made around 240. No, yeah, I would have made around $240 on this trade, and I would have ended my challenge, and I'll have passed the phase one. I know I'm trading a phase one challenge, just a phase one, then I'll get funded, then I'll start trading my funded account. You understand? But it is what it is. So guys, for this Thursday, it was good and not good at the same time, because I was not able to maximize my profit. So guys, this is another Friday was the most painful day for me. Let me show you guys the trade. This was the entry here on Friday. So this is it here. When I took a $14 loss, I entered 0.05, which is around 30 pips stop loss, as you can see. So guys, let me show you guys the setup. Where is it? Yeah, this is it. So guys, as you guys can see, this trade, actually I was at work that day and I was very busy, so I could not really focus on my trade. But I'm not blaming the trade on my work, I'm blaming it on myself, actually. So guys, you can see this trade. We have been, if I should go to the higher time frame here, let me explain to you. Guys, I'll still make a video on how I take my trades. Right now, you can see I'm only showing 5 minute time frame. So just because I want to go brief on the explanation and everything, that's why I don't want to break down too much trade. But one day I'll make a video explaining my how I execute my trade from the start. I go from the higher time frame, the lower time frame to take my trade, and lower time frame for stop loss and higher time frame for take profits. So this is it, guys. On my 4 hour time frame, let me show you guys clearly. So as you can see on my 4 hours time frame, this is a zone. This was where I was expecting price to come to reach before giving me the reversal sign. As you can see here. So I was expecting price to get here before I can be looking for sales. You understand? But so the price was around this region. Let me go back to my that was an order block from the 1 hour time frame that I drew there. So guys, I was expecting this was not even my TP zone. This was my TP zone right here. Around this 70-80 points. Because I've drawn it from the higher time frame. So as you can see, this is one that price is expecting respect. So I was waiting for it to break. The price broke through the zone. You understand? Then price just started misbehaving. Price I was in profit of like 30. No, I was in profit of like yeah, almost 30 pips on this trade, which I was risking 30 pips stop loss also. So guys, price was in profit, then boom, price started reversing, then hit my stop loss, guys. I was not even worried about the stop loss, but I was very busy at work. I could not catch the other. Guys, if I had seen, I drew this zone here, this zone that you guys can see here. I drew it after price, after I saw the whole movement. So guys, I was at work. I was very busy, not knowing that price has created a triple top here, guys. And I'm seeing from this triple top, I'm seeing my RSI giving me divergence, showing me higher low, which means price wants to start reversing. Then I should be ready to look for a sell position. Guys, if I was on my chart at that moment, I'd have gone for short. Let me show you. Let me show you guys where I'll have gone for short. I'll have this is a zone here. This is another zone here. This is my short position here. I'll have taken my short position from here. From here. Yes. Immediately price breaks through this region course. And my stop loss be above the recent high, which is here. Guys, look at this sweet trade, guys. And my TP will be from the higher time, or either 1 hour or 4 hours time frame. So this will be my first TP will be around here. The next one where price can start reversing. This will be my first TP. Then, cause me, I won't be holding trades because of my trailing drawdown stop, because I'll have taken my profit from here. So let me show you guys what happened, guys. I'll have entered this trade from here, which is very clear. These are the trades I take. I know when I see one. So guys, I wouldn't have taken it from here because price was still misbehaving around here. Immediately I see this bearish engulfing candle, I'm in. Even if I don't enter from here, I'll be entering from this other side here. Let me show you guys. I'll be entering from here, but the issue will not be my stop loss. So I don't like using more than 30 pips. Maximum stop loss I've ever used is 50 pips maximum. So let me see. Will this place give us 50 pips? No, this is more than I can't use that kind of stop loss. Or I'll whenever I can't find my 5 minute time frame. I'll go on my 1 minute time frame and look for a zone where price is really reacting off, and I'll put it above the place. So as you can see, this should already be my stop loss here. But normally I'll have entered the trade from here because it is a bullish momentum. Sorry, it is a bearish candle, bearish engulfing candle, which means the sellers are already gaining massive potential, and you can tell from the reversal sign from this triple top that is here and the divergence. These are three confluences, as you can see. So guys, I would have gone for this short right here, 100% sure I'll have gone for it. And my TP will be around how many pips? Let me check. 602. Bro, my TP will be around 200 plus pips. Then I'll have closed this trade impressed in all of also. But I was so busy at work, I didn't have time to even check my chart. I only had time for the morning for the first trade around 8 a.m. That was the only time I had, which I came back and met my I was able to see this trade. So guys, let me explain my next move next week to you guys. So next week, I'm expecting a buy. Let me explain the trade to you guys. On this gold, I must pass this challenge. So as you can see on this 4 hours time frame, you can see this bullish. You can tell price is really bullish, very very bullish. As you can tell, that's my uptrend there. Forget all these pattern, all these. I don't want to cancel my trades because all these ones are always important for future purposes. I used to use it for purposes. So let me go my 15-minute time frame. So you guys, as you can see, where's my so price is currently at this region. And if I draw my oh shit, let me go on my 4 hours time frame. This video is taking too long. I'll have to edit a lot. So as you can tell from 4 hour time frame, my chart is rough right now. Sorry about my chart, guys. I don't play my charts. Sorry guys. So this is an order block right here, as you can tell. So this is also a point of interest here where price can start reversing. And you can also see the trend line, which price can also respect. Those are two confluences like that. Guys, if you make your trades easy, it will be easy for you to make profits. Let me calculate before I explain the trade. Let me show you guys. So throughout this whole challenge, just throughout this whole challenge, let me go to last 30 days, which is not even up to last 30 days. I've taken around, let me calculate it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I've taken 15 trades and I've had just 5 losses, 10 and 10 wins. You understand? I've had 5 losses, 10 wins. And those 10 wins, safe, and all those 10 wins, I didn't take full TP. I always end up closing at half TP. And my risk to reward is great. I'm when I check my dashboard on Friday on Maven Preference, when the preference was still functioning well, I was at 70% win rate. You understand? 70%. There was a point I was at 82% win rate, but I had some small losses like this $13. No, this $3 actually, which I closed at break even. So guys, so let me finish what I was saying on gold. So guys, I'm expecting price to start reversing from this point. So on Monday, I might not take place on Monday if market is not moved the way I want it to move. So what I want to see from this market is it should create a new zone which you should be expecting from this here. So I will see the movement on Monday morning till probably I'll take my trades during the New York session. And I'm also going to work tomorrow. I hope I have time for my trade and everything. Because to balance time management is very important, but due to work and everything, for me to manage is always hard. You understand? So guys, that will be all for this video. And I wish you guys best of luck for this week. And I hope you guys learned a little bit from this. And I've gained a little bit from this. And I hope you guys have a blessed week and profitable week. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and turn on post notification. And also, if you go to my bio, to my link, to the description of the video, you'll see my Telegram link there. You see my Instagram, so you guys can DM me on Instagram to ask questions, or you can comment down below to ask questions. And also, you can join my Telegram channels. I'll be dropping trades on there. I'll be dropping my setup on there. You can share minds, you can share trades to each other, and profit. You understand? So thank you guys for watching. Bless you.